I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you a test question on solving equations involving square roots. The question here is square root of x equals to 1 over square root of x minus 1 minus square root of x minus 1. To begin with, we should write restrictions on the function itself. We know x should be greater than 1, right? Since the denominator cannot be 0, x should be greater than 1. So that is the restriction, right? This gives you x greater than 0, this gives you x greater than 1, so ultimately that is the restriction. Now to solve, we will take common denominator on the right side. So we have square root of x equals to 1 minus, when we take common denominator of square root of x minus 1, we'll get square root of x minus 1 times square root of x minus 1, correct? Now we can cross multiply, so we have square root of x times square root of x minus 1 on the left side, and here we have 1 minus. When you square them, you get x minus 1, right? So which is equals to 1 minus x minus 1. So minus 1 becomes plus 1, so we get 2 minus x. Is it okay? So we get 2 minus x on the right side. Now, since we have radical here, we'll square both sides again. So when you square this, what I'm trying to say here is, let us square both sides. That is, square this and square this part. Then what do you get? So this square will be x times x minus 1, and on the right side let us square it. We get 2 square, which is 4, minus 2ab, which is 4x, plus x square. So that is a quadratic equation. Let me expand this. We get x squared minus x equals to 4 minus 4x plus x squared. Let's bring all the terms to one side. So we have x squared minus x squared plus 4x minus 4 equals to 0. X squared minus x squared is 0. Minus x plus 4x is 3x. So 3x minus 4 equals to 0. And that gives you 3x equals to 4, or x equals to 4 over 3, right? So x equals to 4 over 3 is the solution in our case, and since 4 over 3 is greater than 1, it is a valid solution, correct? So what you can do is, you can substitute 4 over 3 and check your answer. Let that be an exercise for you, and let me write down my answer as x equals to 4 over 3. So that is how you should be solving such equations. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.